Hello everybody, it's Chris from Pressmaster. Welcome to your overview grant tutorial, how to use a Pressmaster. First, let me tell you that if you ever ask your question, where to find one tool where you can create articles, press releases, viral social media, or even create from the articles social media posts to recycle them, this video is for you because you can do all of them together in a Pressmaster without any technical background or any background in a marketing field as well. Here we go. First, let's begin with settings. So in settings, first what you would need to do, you need to have your brand guide. So brand guide, it will train your AI to understand your business. And with a brand guide, you can start interview, answer the question, and you will revisit your responses anytime. So here we'll ask you the question, what is the full official name of your company? And you follow it further. Afterwards, you can create your brand voice, and it will be tailored specifically to your brand and the way how you would like to present your brand to your audience. It's really easy, and it's really important to set it up in the beginning that you will have a satisfactory result from the start. So after you set it up your brand guide and your brand voice, let's go to the Trendmaster. Trendmaster is one of the best solutions for everyone who would like to spot trends before they even become viral. So let me show you how it works. First, what you have to do, you should set preferences. So let's say in our case it would be tech. We would like to see it in news from the North America, English, and here we can set up our keywords, which will be more kind of help you to be more accurate in terms of the trends which you would like to see. For instance, say AI, SaaS. Continue. Here we can exclude area of the keywords which we don't really want to see in our trends. Here you can put your email and you can stay updated with your personalized news and trends. So for instance, you can do it in real time. You can choose relevant topics. And after that, Trendmaster is starting to work and preparing your specialized trend feed. See how it will work. And here we go. Now we have our Trendmaster trending features. And here we go. Now we have trending topics from the Trendmaster. Just remember that the first time when you set preferences, it can take a little bit of time. Just be patient because the best comes after it. Here we have our trending topics tailored to your needs, to your audience, to your brand ideas as well. So here when you click on trending, let's say NVIDIA expands AI influence with South Korea, you can see the summary of this trend. You also can see the sources where it's coming from. And here, and one of the coolest features you have, it's content ideas, which you can use already, and they tailored to your brand guidance. I think it's like the most important thing which you can have. So they really are made in a way that it would be used for your audience and for your brand. Afterwards, when you're ready, you can choose your trend topic which you would like to explore more, and you can create your personal content. Let's go. So here we will click and create either our article or social media posts. Let's go first with an article. So you can choose it's going to be press release, thought leadership, company news, and other things. In terms of the placement, you can go to the newsroom and build it in a blog. And you can choose a mode. Is it going to be quick one or more detailed? Let's say, let's go with the quick one first. So here where we go with what is overall topic of the article, what specific aspects would you like to cover, you can edit it by yourself, and what's the main focus of your content. So let's say I want to analyze trends. I would like, let's say, make it in the narrative as a first person theme style, let's say thought-provoking, and let's say it would be a brief insight. let's craft an article. So now what is happening, that Pressmaster is crafting the personal article based on your needs and the trends specially for you, which you can publish in your blog later. It's so easy and quick that you can put it as an ongoing machine, basically. So Pressmaster will analyze everything, what you just put it, and will create this article, which would be highly engaging and specially tailored for your brand. Here we go. Now we have our first draft, which you can add it as much as you want, add more things, maybe change the font, using more AI features, save it as a draft. It's really up to you. And before you even publish it, you can also click on preview, how it is going to look like on your blog. Isn't it fascinating how quickly it did it for you? So now it's the time to publish your first article. So that could be having it easier. So now you can also connect it to your social posts. Let me show you how it works. It's one of the most common practices to use your articles and quickly transform it without losing any time for the social media post to increase even the reach to your audiences in every social media which you have. We have Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter, and the Blue Sky. So maybe let's try to do it with a LinkedIn. So we can choose the narrative style, theme style, and let's choose this as best practices. Let's continue. So now Pressmaster is tailoring your article and transforming it into your social media content. You really don't need even anything to do. Just need to click a couple of the buttons and it will do it immediately for you. And I think it's like working like a magic. Basically, by the snap of the fingers, you already have your LinkedIn post. So you obviously can edit it, you can add images, whatever you want to post, and you can publish it. So let's save it as a draft first. Okay, now we are in a social suite. We saved it in a draft. And here is a previous social media post which we did for LinkedIn. And if you want, you can make another post. You just click using AI post. You can use a custom description if you want, or you can select the same actual article and make it for Instagram. You can make different brand voices if you prefer it for different social media, and you can optimize it for a specific social media channel. So now I would like also to show you one of the best features we have, which is really simplifying creating press releases. Let me show it to you right now. So we go into my articles and we can create a new article, same as we did previously, or we can simplify it even more. We can go to the Trendmaster, what I showed you before, and let's go with this news. We choose the first one and we will create an article with it. In order to not have a plagiarism, say new, to be press release, and we will go to press distribution to the different marketplaces. But instead of quick, we will choose HQ. So here we will have also to choose what the angle, what we want to address, what's the narrative style, theme, all of the things which we did previously, and let's say standard article. And let's make it an interview style more adaptive. So here we go. Now, Pressmaster again creating it from this use your first press release. It takes a couple of the seconds. Afterwards, we can go to approve or edit it. If we don't like it, let's click approve. And let's start the interview. So this is going to be like adaptive interview. So in this adaptive interview, questions will appear one after another, and there may also be follow-up questions. So don't be really surprised or confused. So, and we can get started. here we go. We have a first question for the adaptive interview. So the first question, well, let's say Pressmaster.ai and Trendmaster as its feature. Let's go to the next question. So second question is like more already following the previous your answer, and it's going on and on and on and on. Okay, I decided that I will already answer all of the questions. So I had 12 questions, and after clicking on the last one, I can craft an article. And here we go with our article, which is based on the answers, your answers to the interview. So this is based on the all answers for the questions which appeared before. Yes, so here we have already the full press release. Okay, so here we have a full press release, which we can edit, and let's continue. And here is one of the best things which I really like. So you can add standard distribution, which we send it to 300 plus outlets and potential reach. It will calculate as well. Or you can add additional add-ons, which will go to the newsfeeds of United Kingdom or Asia or Australia, Associated Press, Business Insider. So it's really up to you if you would like additionally to have even bigger outreach. I think it's so easy and so cool how quickly you can do the proper press releases, and you don't even need the professional PR team. So now let's go back to the Pressmaster dashboard. And here I would like also to show you another really cool feature. It's called a newsroom. So newsroom, it's basically, consider it as your own blog or your opportunity to share your press release and connect it specifically to your website, because you would like to make it a little bit more personal. So let's say we create a new homepage, we can publish it, after we can design it, and we can also optimize it for any type of the mobile device. And let's say you will publish it, and afterwards you also can go to the settings, create your website title, description, and optimize it for the SEO, connect it to the domain of the Pressmaster.ai, or connect to your own domain. This feature is also available for you. Consider it as something more personal with an additional which you can add to your website, and which will even emphasize your brand even more to your audience. Okay, let's go back to the Pressmaster new features. So here we also have in settings a lot of integrations where you can connect to the Facebook, your other socials like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Blue Sky, to the WordPress, to the Wix, Ghost, Webflow, to the Medium Blogger. It's really up to you. You can add additional team members as well. And I think it's also really important that you also have pins. You have an idea, so pin it. And remember, and come to it later, to transform it to your social media posts or articles as well. Also, let's go a little bit back to the dashboard. So on this dashboard, we already created you with your articles, social media posts, and you can also discover brands right from here. It's quite useful sometimes just to look into one place instead of looking at somewhere else. In the case that if you already forgot how to do some stuff, you also can go to the accelerator. Here would be personal videos for you, where you can have a product walkthrough, see how the creating articles flow working, how the strategies to implement, how to implement your brands through the maximum visibility, and all of the other stuff. So today we had a grand overview of the Pressmaster. Stay tuned, and if you have any questions, please comment and we will get back to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.